Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business owner in Abington. I was just came across your company. I thought I'd shoot you this website to show you guys how you're doing online, give you some information about how it works. If you're interested in learning anything more about Christy's Leads after the video, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to talk about keywords, content, citations, and backlinks. I'm going to start on the front page of your website. And you have a nice call to action here. Those are always good. Another one here as well. Call now here, which is great. Even the way you save your images counts as content. So you want to save those as highly searched keywords, maybe things like siding, Newtown's, Bucks County siding. Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content, so adding a little bit more would help. Just understand what you're trying to be serviced for and make you more relatable. Within those 1,500 words of content, I put about 10 highly searched keywords that people are looking for and that you want to rank for. So exterior improvements, Montgomery County, exterior improvements, Bucks County, kind of wherever you want to service and the services you want to focus on that have search value. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. I just did a Google search for roofing contractors, Bucks County. I could have done roofers, I could have done exterior improvements, home exterior contractors. Lots of different ways people search for the same things on Google. And that's why it's important to be in this map pack here for as many different words as you want to be found for. The map pack gets you a lot of visibility, especially in mobile phones. It's just a click to call. You take up 5 lines. It's really good to be here. You got to go through a process to do it. And you want to stay in there by having a lot of citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's, Yellow Pages, things like that. And you want to check them monthly and make sure you're staying on top of them for sure. So if you are TopSpot Map Pack without the ad and then TopSpot organically underneath it, which is this company, if you're in both spots, statistically speaking, you get about 80% of the search volume that goes to this page. Those are pretty good numbers. So in order to get to this spot underneath it organically, you want to have strong backlinks. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about roofing and someone mentions your company and it links back to yours. That's the backlink. And the blog is known as the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool we use here. Oh, here you are. Called Ahrefs. And it just gives us insight into any website. Here's your power rating and your trust rating. These are the number of backlinks you have, and these are the referring domains. So bumping those up a little bit would help, and making sure they're high quality. The quality is like the Nikes over the store brand. The better quality your domains, the more power your site is given, and just the more it'll rank. It'll rank higher. So right now you're being found for 6 keywords and you're getting about 3 visitors a month. And this could be off a little bit for sure. I'm going to pop into your keywords and just show you that company that was TopSpot organically. Their backlinks, their domains, their trust and their power, their keywords and their traffic. So I'm going to jump into their keywords as well, just in case I can't find what I'm looking for here. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry, I do apologize there. All right, so here's a great buyer intent keyword. Roofing, Newtown, PA. Someone lives in Newtown, PA, wants a roof. 30 searches a month, which isn't, that much, but definitely a little bit. 0 KD, which is the easiest to rank for in terms of time and money. And you're in position 15, which is beyond the first page, and most people don't go there, so it's nice to have in your content, but you want to add some backlinks to try to boost it up and make sure it's in the right spot with the right tagging. And I'll just show you real quick this roofers in Westchester. I don't know if you service there. 250 searches. Wow. Roofers Westchester, Westchester roofing 250 and 1, roofing Montgomery County 80 and 0. So all these different keywords that you would want to add back into your content in the right spots and with the right flow, and that would help bring you forward for some of these searches for sure. So I think you do more than roofing, but you would try to pick the ones that go along with you guys. So I hope the video was helpful. If you'd ever like to learn more about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open. Love to have a 10-minute conversation with you. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. Not a problem. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have a great day.